Welcome. Today in front of me iPhone 14 Plus, and I'll show you how to hide photos in gallery on this device. So first let's find the Photos application. And now let's open our camera roll. For example, let's imagine that we wanna just hide these three photos. Just select them, click here on the right down corner on this more icon and tap to hide. Then click here, hide three photos, go back to the albums, scroll down, and here you'll see the hidden section. If you use the Face ID, you can use here your Face ID or just the password or PIN code. So now we can find them here. If you want to unhide these photos, just select them, click here and tap to unhide, and that's it. So thank you for watching, and if you find this video helpful, don't forget to leave a like, a comment, and to subscribe our channel.